Hey everyone, what's going on? I just finished a big ride on ROUVY and I put a new trainer tire on my bike and I want to show it to you. Before I had a old gravel tire on because that was the narrowest tire I had that would stay on my mountain bike rim. I tried running a 23C road bike training tire, and let me just save you the trouble and tell you not to bother trying it. It won't work. It just blew right off my mountain bike rim. And I should have expected that. The rim's way too wide for that narrow tire. So I put a 33C gravel tire on and that's been working just fine, but it howls something fierce. So I ended up picking up a Vittoria 29 by 1.35 trainer tire, and I want to show you guys how it does. So let's get started on this Vittoria tire and calibrate it and see what kind of roll down time we get. Just over 3 seconds for that roll down time. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the best we're gonna get. I don't have the clutch knob tightened all the way because I find that doesn't actually work well. Check out my other video for how to properly set up your mountain bike on the Saris M2 Trainer to see how I tighten my clutch knob. So is this tire worth it? Without a doubt, yes. If you've been wondering if you should purchase this, pick it up today. Don't wait. It seriously will change the quality of your indoor ride, especially if you're on a mountain bike like I am. I just want to say that if you've been waffling and thinking about getting one of these, just go do it. World of a difference. Smoother ride experience, way quieter sound, way less annoying sound. It's just sort of a whine instead of an awful drone. And it's red, so it looks pretty cool too. So if you're interested in it, you can go check out a link in the description below. I bought it from MEC. I believe Amazon carries it as well. And the key part is that it's 1.35 inches wide, so it will work just fine on mountain bike rims.